Welcome back to Maths with RP. Today we are going to solve more problems based on similarity of triangles. I hope you have seen the earlier videos which also contained many problems based on the same concept, but we will continue to solve more and more problems until we get a very good idea about similarity so that we can solve any problem that is given to us. Now look at this problem. Through the midpoint M of the side CD of a parallelogram ABCD, the line BM is drawn intersecting AC produced at L. Intersecting AC at L and AD produced in E. So ABCD is a parallelogram. So what is given? ABCD is a parallelogram. And then what else is given? M is a midpoint of side CD. So CM is equal to MD. What is it that you need to prove? You have to prove this one. EL equal to twice BL. See, I have always told you that in any problem, first identify what is given, what is to be proved, and let us see how we can connect them with what is given to us. We will prove this using the given information. What is the given information? ABCD is a parallelogram. So opposite sides are equal. So that interpretation you have to make. Okay. And AE is an extension of AD. And M is a midpoint of CD. So these are the things that we know. With that we have to prove this. For this, let us first consider triangle BMC and triangle DME. This is E, okay? Now, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 because they are vertically opposite. And then you are also given CM equal to MD. CM equal to MD given. Also, this angle will be equal to this angle because BC is parallel to AE. BC is parallel to AE. Therefore, angle MBC is equal to angle MED. This angle B is equal to angle E in the triangles that we have considered. So this is what is our observation. So from this what do we get? By the two sides and the other angle being equal, you get by principle of congruence, triangle BMC is congruent to triangle. Okay, two angles are equal and one side is equal. So AAS congruence. How will you write the congruence? Angle B is equal to angle E. M is the same because vertically opposite. So C will correspond to E. Sorry, E, M I have written. So what is the left? D. So triangle BMC is congruent to triangle EMD. When two triangles are congruent, what can you say about the triangles? The opposite sides or the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, okay, DE is equal to BC. But BC is equal to AD as ABCD is a parallelogram. These are congruent sides. It's a parallelogram. Therefore, now BC equal to AD. So AE is what? Now AE is AD plus DE. DE is BC. AD itself is BC. So it is twice AD or twice BC. So AE is twice BC. So AE by BC is 2. Okay, now I am going to consider triangle BLC and triangle ALE. Okay, now X is equal to Y because they are vertically opposite. Angle X equal to angle Y because they are vertically opposite. Now this angle B is equal to angle E because they are corresponding angles. So if two angles are equal, what can you say about the triangles? The triangles are similar. So triangle BLC is similar to triangle ALE. Okay, I'm continuing here. So triangle BLC continuation. So I'll put a star here. Star. If two triangles are similar, that is triangle BLC is similar to triangle ALE. So BL by AL is equal to BC by AE. What is BC by AE? AE by BC is 2, right? So BC by AE will be half, which is half. So twice BL is equal to AE. Twice BL, we need actually EL. We have to connect EL and BL. BL by AL is equal to BC by AE. BC by AE is 1 by 2. Okay. Now what is EL? CL, this is also equal to, see when I written the similarity, have we written correctly? We have to check. Angle B, is it equal to angle A? Angle B is equal to angle E. Sorry. Angle BLC is similar to triangle. Okay. Angle B equal to angle E. L is the same. And what about the third angle? That will be equal to C. That is A. So BL by EL is the same as BC by AE. BC by AE is half. So twice BL equal to EL, which is what we wanted to prove. Okay, it's a slightly tricky sum, but because we are using concepts of congruence and similarity. So first we are proving which two triangles, BMC and triangle EMD are congruent. Why are they congruent? CM is equal to MD given, angle 1 equal to angle 2 vertically opposite, angle B equal to angle E alternate angles, right? This is because they are alternate angles. So the two triangles are congruent. Now if the two triangles are congruent, the corresponding sides are equal. So what do you get? DE equal to BC. DE equal to BC. but AD equal to BC because ABCD is a parallelogram. So AE is twice of AD, which is the same as saying twice of BC because AD is equal to BC. So AE equal to twice BC is a very important observation. Okay. Next, look at BLC triangle and triangle ALE. X is equal to Y, they are vertically opposite. Angle B equal to angle E, alternate, not corresponding, alternate angles. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. How will you write the similarity? Okay, angle B corresponds to angle E, L corresponds to L, and C corresponds to A. So, BL by EL is equal to BC by EA. Okay, BC by EA or AE is half. So BL by EL is half. So twice BL equal to EL, which is what we wanted to prove. Are you able to follow? Is it clear? Now, you are given that legs, sides other than the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are of length 16 and 8. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now, and its sides other than the hypotenuse. So AC is 16, BC is 8 centimeter. You have to find the length of the side of the largest square that can be inscribed in the triangle. So this is what is given. To find side of the largest square, inscribed in triangle ABC. Okay. Now let us compare this triangle and the bigger triangle. Let us consider triangle. Let me use a different color. Consider triangle AED and triangle ABC. So you know that this is a right angle triangle and this is a square. So this angle is also 90. Right? Okay. So which means what? Angle D equal to angle C equal to 90 degrees. And angle A is common. If two angles are equal, the triangles are similar. So triangle AED is similar to triangle. Okay. Now A is common. D is equal to C. So ABC. Okay. Now from this we get AD by AC. We get AD by AC is equal to AD by AC is equal to ED by BC. AD by AC is equal to ED by BC. Now AD by AC. Okay, let X be the side of the square. Let X be the side of the square. Okay. Now you have AD by AC is equal to ED by BC. Okay, now if this is X and the whole thing you know is 16. So this AD will be 16 minus X. So 16 minus X divided by AC, AC is 16, is equal to ED. What is ED? ED is the side of the square, which is X. What is BC? BC is given as 8. Okay. Then what do you get? So this 8 I can cancel and write like this. So 16 equal to 3x, or x is equal to 16 by 3. So the side of the square, the largest square that can be inscribed in the triangle is 16 by 3 centimeter. So what we are given? You are given a right angle triangle. You are given the length of the two sides except the hypotenuse. So AC is 16, BC is 8. You are given. Okay. Now you have to find the side of the largest square. Let the side of the largest square that can be inscribed in the triangle be x units. Okay. Now the triangle AED is similar to triangle ABCY. One angle is 90 and angle A is common. So triangle AED is similar to triangle ABC. So write the proportionality of sides. AD by AC equal to ED by BC. AD is 16 minus x because I have taken the side of the square to be x. The AC is 16. ED is the side of the square, so which is x. BC is given as 8. Substituting these values, you get 16 equal to 3x or x equal to 16 by 3 centimeter. So the length of the largest square that can be inscribed is 16 by 3. Next problem, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which the diagonals AC and BD intersect at O, such that AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. Okay, is equal to BO by OD. You have to show that the quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Now AO by OC equal to BO by OD, right? And which means the AO by, see, this also means that this, if you look at this triangle and this triangle, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. They are vertically opposite. And the sides are proportional. OA by OC equal to OB by OD. OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Sides are not equal but proportional. Therefore, by similarity rules, triangle OAB is similar to triangle. How will you write the similarity? In the place of O, you have O. In the place of B, you have D because OB is proportional to OD. So, in the place of B, you have D. And in the place of, in the place of A, you have C. And the place of B, you have D. Okay, now the two triangles are similar. That means what? The corresponding angles will be equal. So, angle A equal to angle C. Therefore, angle OAB is equal to triangle angle OCD. Now, if alternate angles are equal, this means AB is parallel to DC. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. See, I have taken this triangle and this triangle, ODC and OAB. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 vertically opposite. OA by OC is equal to OB by OD by proportionality of sides, which is given. Okay. So the two triangles are similar by or what property? If two sides are proportional and one angle is equal, SAS similarity, their two triangles are similar. So angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. So this angle, corresponding angles are equal, which means AB is parallel to CD because alternate angles are equal. For the lines, the alternate angles are equal. So it is a AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. And then what else is given? They have also given AO by OC is equal to OB by OD equal to half. Okay. Now, OA, but this is also, see, OA by OC equal to OB by OD is also, but OA by OC is also equal to AB by DC. Why? You know that this triangle OAB is similar to, we have written here, no? So, as triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD. Now, OA by OC is half. So, AB twice AB equal to CD. Now, AB is 5. AB equal to 5 centimeter. So, the length of CD will be 10 centimeter. Therefore, the length of CD is equal to 10 centimeter. Are you able to follow how we got the sum? We first consider these two triangles. Two sides are proportional. One angle is equal. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. So, angle A is equal to angle C. They are alternate angles for the line AB and DC. If alternate angles are equal, then the lines have to be parallel. So, AB is parallel to DC, which means that this figure or this quadrilateral is a trapezium. They have also given you OA by OC equal to OB by OD equal to half. Okay, but we already know OA, because of these two similarity of these two triangles, OA by OC, see, OA by OC equal to OB by OD is also equal to AB by DC. It is also equal to AB by DC. Because if two triangles are similar, all the sides are proportional. Now AB, therefore OA by OC is half. So AB by DC is also half, which means CD is twice AB. AB is given to be 5 centimeter. Therefore CD is equal to 10 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay. Now in the adjoining figure, you have these are like poles. Therefore they are all perpendicular. Each angle is 90. AB is X. Okay. And CD is Y. This is Z. Since it's not clear, I am writing. Okay. You have to prove that this is what is given. You have to prove 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Which is Z? This is Z. It is like three perpendicular lines. So first what I am going to do, I am going to consider triangle BAD and triangle QPD. So I am looking at the big triangle and the small triangle. Okay. Now angle D is common. Angle Q equal to angle B equal to 90 degrees. Angle Q equal to angle B equal to 90 degrees. So by AA similarity, triangle BAD is similar to triangle. B corresponds to what? D. Okay. Then corresponding, see, if you look at this whole triangle, angle B is 90 degrees. So if you look at this small triangle, this angle D. When I say angle D, I mean angle PDQ. Okay, so that is D, and angle Q corresponds to, so how will you write the similarity? Angle BAD is similar to triangle B corresponds to D, and Q corresponds to B. So I have DB, sorry, this triangle PQD. Let me first write it as angle PQD. Okay. Now if you look at the triangle, you know the sides are proportional. So AB by PQ. So X by Z. Let me keep this as A and B. So X by Z will be A plus B by B. Now look at the other way around. Look at triangle BCD is similar to triangle BPQ. Again, why? Because two angles are angle B is common. Okay, and angle Q equal to angle D. Angle Q equal to angle D equal to 90 degrees. So AA similarity, triangle BCD is similar to triangle BPQ. So when I write the similarity of sides, okay, for these two triangles, for this triangle and this small triangle BPQ, what will I get? Z by Y will be equal to B by A plus B. Here Z by X, if I invert this ratio, Z by X equal to B by A plus B. So Z by X, so this is 1 and this is 2. Adding 1 and 2, you get Z by X plus Z by Y equal to, I can take LCM as A plus B, then the numerator will be A plus B, which is 1. So divide by Z, what will you get? 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Dividing by Z, I will get 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z, which is what we wanted to prove. So the idea here is, first look at the bigger triangle ABD. It is similar to this triangle PQD because one angle is 90, one angle is common. So write the similarity. X by Z. X is of the bigger triangle. So correspondingly take the bigger triangle A plus B by B. B is the side of the smaller triangle. I've inverted Z by X is B by A plus B. Then I've looked at this triangle and this small triangle. What do you observe? Two angles are 90 and this triangle is similar to the bigger triangle because one angle is common being angle B. Okay. Now by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. So how will you write the similarity? Z by Y will be, Z is the smaller triangle's side. So B by A plus B. So Z by X is B by A plus B. Z by Y is, so it should be A, sorry. Z by Y should be, for this triangle is similar to the bigger triangle. So A by A plus B. See, when first we considered this big triangle and this small triangle. Okay, so X by Z is equal to a plus b by, for this triangle the side is b. Then I considered this big triangle and BPQ. So in BPQ angle B is common and the corresponding side is A, right? So if I look at the ratio of the corresponding sides, Z by Y will be equal to A. For this triangle, the smaller side is A. A by the corresponding side of the bigger triangle, A plus B. Now adding 1 and 2, I get Z by X plus Z by Y equal to A plus B by A plus B, which is 1. Divide by Z, you get 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. So today we have solved actually 4 problems. They are all important problems. They have been asked in the board repeatedly. So please try to solve these problems on your own and then look at the solutions given, and please go through the proof step by step, understand each step before you go to the next step, and see if you can solve them also by yourself. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and wishing you all the very, very best, and goodbye until we meet next time in Max with RP.